Right now, a convicted murderer is fighting to keep his own life. It comes 1 month after a jury found Juan Rosario guilty for the death of his 83-year-old neighbor. Elena Ortega was found dead inside her Orange County home back in 2013. Police say Rosario set it on fire. Now lawyers are battling it out for what his punishment should be. Amanda Castro just stepped outside the courtroom in Orange County. Amanda.
Well, Julie, we're in the middle of the penalty phase right now, and we're told that both the state and the defense are expected to call witnesses that will testify about this case, as well as present evidence to convince the jury to either convict or to rather either sentence Rosario to death or to life in prison without parole. Now, so far, we've only heard from the state calling experts with the medical examiner's office who testified about how the victim, 83-year-old Elena Ortega, was killed. We also heard from her daughter, her son-in-law, and her son this afternoon, who called her a fighter who always provided for her family. Now, the defense told jury that they would also be calling their own witnesses, including Rosario's family and a mental health expert who would testify about Rosario's upbringing and how he suffers from PTSD. Now, it is important to note that this is the first death penalty case since Governor Rick Scott removed State Attorney Aramis Ayala from any death penalty case after she announced that she would not be seeking the death penalty. Julie?
And Amanda, Rosario's defense team fought to get the death penalty off the table.
Yeah, Julie, they did try to do that. They argued that the death penalty shouldn't be an option because of this legal standoff between Ayala and Governor Scott, but the death penalty is an option today. So again, the jury is considering whether he should be sentenced to death or life in prison without parole. But in order for the jury to come back with that death penalty decision, they would have to make that decision unanimously. Julie, back to you.
All right, Amanda, thank you. Amanda Castro reporting live in Orange County.